what's up? JoeJack is back. It's my episode 5 of my Link series. It's starting to heat up. Make sure y'all check out the other episodes. Today we linking up with my boy Alan, aka A Boogie. We're gonna be checking out his collection. He got some heat. He sent me a few pictures. And actually he's part of the inspiration for me doing this whole project. So I wanna give a huge shout out to him for that. So we're gonna check him out, pull up on him. We're gonna probably do it outside today because we've been cooped up in the house. This coronavirus got everybody freaking out. So we're gonna enjoy this nice weather while we can. Stay tuned. JoeJack is back. It's my episode 5 of my Link series. I hope y'all been tuning in. Today we got my boy Alan, aka A Boogie. What's up with you, bro?
What's up with it, man?
Long
Pleasure.
time coming, man.
You know.
Remember rapping with you outside the spot that night, and we rapped about this. You was part of the inspiration for me doing this whole project.
Oh man, I appreciate
So I
that.
definitely
No,
appreciate it,
for sure.
Yeah. A lot of people see you doing something and they don't really want to give you the credit.
Yeah.
Say how dope it is, but you know, you always hit me up on the gram. We DMing, bro. Did you grab these? Did you grab
Facts.
them? So you a real sneakerhead, man. I like that though. Got a
Facts.
nice little collection.
Yeah, I got a little, you know, a little something. I had more pairs, but you know, due to the corona and stuff, I had to cut down on some pairs. You know.
Okay, bills got to get paid.
Bills, you know, stuff like that. So, you know what I'm saying. But this is what I got as of now. You know what I'm saying.
Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
It's definitely heavy. What started you with the whole sneaker thing? And when did you start?
I started collecting shoes probably about 5 years ago, my freshman year of high school. Just watching, you know, like the athletes having the shoes, and because I never really was into Jordans like that until I got to high school, seeing everybody with the new J's. It's just like, dang, what shoes is them? Or like, what is those? So, you know.
I remember talking to you earlier, you was like seeing the girls' reactions to the guys with the sneakers. You like, okay.
Hey, they see the fellas with the new J's on, hey. It's a win-win situation, you know?
Yeah. So you only wear J's, or you got other shoes in your collection?
No, I got other shoes in my collection. I wear Vans, I wear Converse. I like Air Maxes, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I see you got the drip, you got the Burberry
popping off. No, man,
You know
this
what I'm
ain't, it's a little something, you know.
I like something light?
Something light.
Okay.
But
I like that though.
I'm gonna start off with the Space Jam 11s, cause this is the first shoe I ever bought with my own money. And my freshman year, I bought a pair from 2009 that was completely beat.
They was beat.
Yellow, had scuffs on them, but to me, they was brand new. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, I got a pair of 11s, like I got with, you know what I'm saying? And it was the first shoe that I bought with my own money, cause, you know, growing up, like, my mom couldn't, you know, get every Jordan I wanted, so I had to, you know what I'm saying?
So you were, whenever you finally was able to get them yourself,
Yeah.
on it heavy.
Yeah, I had to end up grabbing a pair.
Is 11's your favorite?
11s is probably my favorite number, yeah. 11s, definitely.
Okay. You a fan of that 45 on the back, or you like the 23?
Actually, I don't like the 45.
You prefer the 23?
I prefer the 23 just because, like, I don't know. I never understood what was the purpose, you know, of the 45.
Yeah.
Like, they say Mike wore the 45, but...
Yeah, Mike wore the 45 when he came back out of retirement, but
Okay.
I prefer the 23 because that's just the...
Yeah, that's how that shoe, you know, how it
That's how it
came the
started.
first time, yeah, with a 23, so...
I see you got your Gamma's little lace swap.
Oh, yeah, the Gammas. I actually bought these laces from a site I don't remember, but the shoe was kind of, it wasn't boring, but it just added a little flavor to the shoe, you know what I'm saying? Like now, the shoe just is like bright and vibrant.
All your shoes in pretty good condition too.
Yeah, I try to clean them every time I wear them.
So what about them Concords, man? They kind of speak for themselves.
The Concords, this is a classic shoe. This is another one of those 11s that, like, if you don't got this in your collection, like, you know, you ain't doing it. You ain't
And it's so easy to drip that, so you can do so
Man.
many things with it.
Black and white, yeah.
Black and white, everything.
I know.
All white.
Over time, this white will get dirty though.
Yeah.
I don't like that. Like the material, like over time, I yellow, but it's still a real nice shoe, a dope shoe,
That's what's up.
clean shoe.
Bread joints.
Bread 11s, yeah. The Bread 11s is probably, I would say, one of the most iconic shoes. Like, that's one of them shoes, like just the black and red, like everybody just go crazy for it, because you can style this shoe with about anything.
Now, how do you cop shoes? You a sneaker app? You wait in line? Raffle?
So before I like try to cop them for resale or through the StockX and goes, I try to do the raffles and the sneakers app, you know what I'm saying, and try to hit for retail before I gotta spend that extra little buck, you know what I'm saying, to
Most definitely.
get them shipped to me. But most of the time I get them from retail. Yeah, I got these for retail.
So you said that you start collecting when you was a freshman.
Freshman in high school.
See, that's real, because a lot of people make it seem like they just been doing it before that.
Oh
You know,
yeah,
like that OG
yeah.
game, but
No, I started my
just be
freshman
yourself.
year. Yeah.
That's what's up.
My freshman year, that's when it all changed for me. I was like, man, what is these? Like, all the basketball players used to have all the shoes, you know what I'm saying? So I used to be like, what kind of shoes is them? And then when I like start learning my numbers, like seeing shoes and I knew what number it was, like that's when I knew I was a sneakerhead, like just going crazy. Cause at first I see these and be like, I think they was 13s. You know what I'm saying? Before I started collecting, you gotta do your research,
You right.
So,
You definitely right.
and I like how this shoe, it come with the high cut patent leather.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? The Gammas, they came with the low cut.
Low cut,
After this year, they started making them with the high cut. So
Yeah, you can definitely tell the difference.
yeah, the leather is higher on these ones.
So you got the Ferrari 14.
Yeah, this is actually the best 14 in my opinion.
Yeah.
No disrespect to the last shot 14s, because that is a dope shoe. That black with those red, hits on that shoe. But this is one of my favorite 14s. Like just red velvet suede, and it's buttery, it's super soft. Like
Right, with the little hints of yellow.
They got the carbon fiber hits on the midsole.
Yeah.
And I believe this shoe was actually like designed after Michael Jordan Ferrari.
Ferrari. Yeah, that was the inspiration for the shoe.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's dope. What about the other Ferraris? Did you grab them?
The yellow ones, I did grab those, but I think I sold those.
Yeah.
I think I got rid of them. That is a real clean shoe. I don't like how they put leather on it, because I did, like, that yellow suede would have been crazy.
That sure would've been crazy.
That would have been crazy, but they gave us yellow, so the suede, so
Yeah, them going for pretty high.
yeah.
I don't have them in my collection. I might have to add them though. I like those.
Yeah, I had this shoe for a while. I only wore it one time because I haven't really found nothing I really want to style it with it yet, because it's so bright and vibrant, like, and then the yellow is like, it's not actually yellow, you know what I'm saying? So I try not to mismatch colors and the blues and the reds. And
That's what's up. You got your infrared 6.
yeah, black infrared 6 is like,
That's definitely a must-have in your collection.
I wish like these came how they came back in the day. The infrared was actually red.
Red, it was red.
Yeah, like an actual, red.
Red, like
yeah.
gym red.
Red like that, yeah. And now it's like this real vibrant color.
Yeah, I like
And
it,
I never-
but I would definitely prefer the red.
The red,
versus
yeah.
the infrared.
I never really understood like the vibrant, because how like Mike wore them when they was actual red. So
Red.
yeah. But that's a real nice shoe. That's a dope shoe.
Definitely a dope shoe. We're gonna get into a little heat now.
Oh, heat.
Travis Scott.
Yeah, Travis. Start off with the 6s.
6s. You got the Travis Scott 6s. You a Travis Scott fan?
I am a Travis Scott fan.
Yeah.
I've been listening to Travis Scott since I was in high school too, around that time when he first was popping.
Is that your inspiration for grabbing the shoe, or is it just, do you like the style, the colorway, and all of that?
All
Or
the
is it like
above.
you're a fan of Jordan and you're a fan of Travis, and they just do it
Yeah,
together?
I love, like you said, I love the collabs. You know what I'm saying? I'm all with that. And for somebody like that, I actually like listen to his music and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like to drop a shoe, like the bottoms on these glow in the dark.
Okay.
It's a side pocket right here. that you can open up, and
Sicko mode.
Cactus Jack on the
Cactus
back.
Jack.
It's just a clean shoe. Olive green suede. I love earth tone colors. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I'm definitely a fan of that.
olive is just my favorite color. My favorite green color. Like,
you never wore them, huh?
I actually did. I wore these on my 21st birthday in Las Vegas.
Okay. I did see you on the gram.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
I had fun, man. I went to Urban Necessities.
That's what's up.
Yeah, shout out to Jay's Kicks.
Yeah, when I went to Vegas, I went to Urban Necessities. That's when I got them Do the Right Thing 3s.
Oh, man. That's a classic right there. That's heat.
Man, it's crazy because it's just exciting going in them type of stores.
Yeah.
Just
So
seeing
many
all them
shoes.
kicks,
Like,
man, it's mind-blowing for real.
man, it suck when you ain't going in there with $1 million because it's like you want to
Yeah,
grab
yeah.
everything in your size.
Especially them the ones that be behind glass.
The cabinet ones. 10,000 a shoe.
Okay, we going back Travis.
Travis 4.
Travis 4.
This is actually the first Travis Scott shoe I purchased
Yeah.
about 2 years ago when it came out last summer.
How did you get there?
I purchased these through StockX. You know what I'm saying? I paid the extra little buck to get them. But actually, these shoes are going for probably about $400 more than what I paid for them. So it was a good investment to me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep them. I'm not gonna sell them or nothing.
That kind of hit with the shirt.
Oh yeah, it's kind of off, Joe.
A little bit.
Yeah, this shoe came with a lot of flaws though. A lot of glue stains. Like,
Really?
yeah, I got a lot of glue stains on mine.
I'm gonna have to check it out. I'm gonna have to look at mine.
And
right
the
now.
other pair, it's like wrinkled on the suede. Yeah, you see glue stains. It's a lot of glue
suede is
stains.
butter though.
Buttery. The suede is real premium. I never seen that like type of material on a, like, it's not even like suede to me. Like, it's like, I don't even know. Like,
That's nice. I like the hints of red on there, so you can kind of switch it up. I threw a Cardinal throwback Cardinal.
yeah. And see, I wanted a Cardinals blue Cardinals jersey to go with them.
Yeah, that would definitely have set that off.
Yeah.
Gonna go back, Travis. You got nice little Travis collection.
Oh man.
Travis out.
This is probably, man. This is
That's
probably
a
the
super hype
hypest
shoe
shoe
right
I got in my collection and the most expensive in my collection. And this is a legit pair. Like,
Okay.
this is, like, I got the receipt to these from the State Street Foot Action in Chicago. They only came out in Chicago and Los Angeles.
Okay.
And one of my buddies in St. Louis, shout out Lusos 314, he hooked me up with these. So definitely,
You a fan of that vintage look?
I'm all for it. Like the earth tone, the mocha. I'm sorry, the mocha
Yeah.
with the sail midsole and the white hits.
I kind of like the way they mix it up and they'll just randomly throw a pair of laces in there.
Yeah.
Like they did with the yellow.
Oh yeah.
That's kind of interesting.
Yeah,
giving
and see,
it, you know.
a lot of people, like a lot of the OGs, like they're not a big fan of switching the laces or like, you know, the
That
laces
was kind
or
of frowned upon back in the day.
yeah, like
But I mean, when the shoe come with different laces,
Right.
like, well, you know, why not?
and then this shoe is like, so since it's just so like earth tony, it gives the shoe a pop. You know what I'm
It
saying?
definitely pop.
Like
See,
the
I'm not
pink,
I'm not really a fan of the check,
the
you
the
know,
backward swoosh.
the backwards swoosh. I
Yeah.
mean, it's a first, but you know, if I could get them for, you know, a good price, I would definitely. It'd be a nice addition to the collection.
Yeah, for real. That's a nice shoe.
Nice Travis collection going on. We're gonna go back to this some OG Nike on the back.
The Bread 4.
Bread 4.
Man, these is probably my favorite 4s of all time. Like this shoe, like I remember being in like middle school and seeing a whole bunch of like the older crowd wearing these. You know, like they used to be just so clean to me, just all black suede with the red hits and the gray.
A little gray on there.
The Nike Air on the back, like how it first came when it first dropped, the original time. Like this shoe,
Shoe right here.
this shoe is a clean shoe. I really like that shoe.
You got back to one. I see you got them. You got the shadow one.
Oh yeah, the shadows.
Brand new.
Yeah. This is probably I can wear these with anything. So
Yeah.
black and gray and the white midsole, you can't go wrong. The homages, I actually bought this shoe because I do not own the Bread one, and I do not own the Chicago. So they pit.
Kind of killing two birds.
Yeah, they pit both of the iconic ones in one shoe and just they made it work. And when I first seen images of this shoe, I went crazy. I was like, that is just so crazy. Like, how, like they just put both of the shoes into one. So, like, you can't go wrong with it.
You really can't.
It's a dope shoe. Tumble leather.
Yeah, that's nice. And we got a pair of UNC.
Yeah.
Michael Jordan's alma mater.
Yeah, this is the most recent release I picked up. These, I like the threes. I noticed that Nike and Jordan Brand, the cement around the toe box is like a lower cut.
Yeah.
So it don't make the toe box look so big. It just make the shoe look so much more sleeker to me.
Yeah.
And the Carolina blue on the midsoles. Yeah. It's hard to match these blues though, cause like
you kind of gotta have the shoe in hand.
Man, to see, yeah.
When you shopping.
For real, cause I bought this shirt for these shoes and it didn't go. So I was like, no, I can't even. You can't do it when it don't. Don't go.
I would actually take a shoe to the store with me.
Right.
In order to get it. Like it ain't gotta be, matching. It ain't gotta be exact.
Right.
I needed to hit.
No, you got it. Yeah, close. Right. Yeah, that's facts though.
A lot of people ain't a fan of matching. Like I said, to me, it's more about coordinating.
Right.
It ain't just matchy. It's just the coordination, how you put it together.
Yeah.
Only thing I don't like about that is when they first released, they call it the PE. That's not really the PE because the PE had the Carolina sign on the tongue.
On the tongue, yeah, and they just gave us some Jordan Brand.
It's a dope shoe and it's going for a good price, but just don't call it PE.
I definitely would cop this shoe now. I see this shoe going up just because it's baby blue, it's white, like it's simple.
It's light, but it's heavy.
Yeah, this shoe would definitely gonna go up in price. I feel like, cause it stand out, like all white, like a fresh pair of these.
Man,
summertime ready, yeah, with the cargo shorts, the white T-shirt.
Just a white tee.
And you good.
Yeah. And that's why, I'm kind of light today on the drip. But, the shoes carry the whole outfit.
Right.
That's how I always felt about style. I kind of dress from the shoe up.
Right.
So
Yeah.
I pick up what type of shoe that I'm gonna wear for that day, and then I get an outfit surrounding that. Just kind of like it ain't always. A lot of people think you got to spend, a couple hundred, to be fly. But
yeah.
Man, it's just how you put it together.
Yeah, that's true.
That's what style is.
Style, right.
Yep. But man, you got a nice collection.
I appreciate it.
You're definitely heavy.
No, I try to keep up on it. Like I said, I ain't got the most. I had way more pairs, a while back, but times come, I gotta let shoes go, cause
you gotta do what you got.
If I'm not gonna wear the shoe, I'll sell it and get a different release that I'm gonna wear. You know what I'm saying? Just so it ain't just sitting around.
Right. Well, man, I appreciate you having us out here, man. We decided to do it out here because, man, we've been cooped up in the house
quarantine
because of the coronavirus, so we just wanted to, give y'all a different look. Film outside. It's a beautiful day.
Lovely out.
Boogie, man, I appreciate you.
No, I appreciate you, man.
We're trying to push this link series as far as we can go. Make sure y'all check out my boy A Boogie on Instagram. What's your Instagram name?
Y'all can follow me on Instagram at A_Boogie31. That's my Instagram.
That's what's up. Make sure y'all check my boy out, my young boy, man.
Shout out JoeJack 23, man, for letting me, giving me a chance to be on his channel. He been doing this for a long time. So
like I said, man, you was part of the inspiration for me doing this project, so it's only right.
Yeah, when we talked a while back, caught up.
Yep, for sure. We just putting on for the coach.
Yeah, trying to, yeah.